Hi everyone, I wanted to pop in and share a little update from Steel Roots Market and invite you to celebrate with me this weekend. It's my birthday today, and to mark the occasion, I'm offering 10% off everything in the shop through Saturday, just as a little thank you for being here and sharing in this creative journey. I have to be honest, I haven't had as much time in the studio as I'd hoped lately to make all the projects I've been dreaming of and envisioning. Life has been beautifully busy in other ways. In between my day job and everything else, I've been working on new creative DIYs, junk journaling, and paper crafting designs. I've also been out in the garden soaking up those sunny breaks in between the rainy days here in upstate New York, slowly working towards the cottage garden of my dreams. I want to share this update as a little peek behind the scenes to say, stay tuned. I have so much more to share in the coming weeks. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of it. And if you're feeling inspired to join in this weekend, head to the shop and treat yourself to something special. There's 10% off and a mystery birthday gift waiting for you. Thanks for being here and supporting my small business and sharing in the creative spirit that keeps Steel Roots Market growing. Have a beautiful and blessed weekend.